welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some colors. What color is this? This is blue color. This is peach color. This is pink color. This is green color. This is dark pink color. This is dark green color. This is black color. This is orange color. This is violet color. This is, what color is this? Sea green color. This is brown color. This is blue color. Sorry, this is yellow color.
So kids, let's learn some 2D shape.
Oval shape. Rectangle shape. Pie. Triangle shape. Arrow shape. Right triangle shape. Dark pink color. Dark pink color. Dark pink color. Oval shape. Violet color. Violet color, rectangle shape. The third one is light green color. Light green color, pie. Light green color, pie shape. Blue color. This is royal blue color. Royal blue color. Triangle shape. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Green color, dark green color. That's it, kids. So, what shapes we learned today? Oval, triangle, oval, rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, left arrow, right arrow, green. Thank you.